Thank you for joining us today as we continue our tour of amazing places to see in Grey County. You're not going to be disappointed. We're here at Studio 124, the Singhampton Sculpture Forest. So come on, let's meet our tour guide. I'd like to introduce you to our tour guide, our host, our co-owner, and the artist behind this wonderful Singhampton Sculpture Forest, Marion Bartlett. So thank you for having us today.
Oh, thanks for coming all the way out to Singhampton. We love guests and visitors. They help us to experience this and through different eyes. So thank you so much for coming out. Really enjoy your company today.
Okay, I'm really looking forward to our tour, and I'm sure everyone viewing will too. So come on.
Terrific, thank you.
Okay.
This is a project that has taken my husband Rick and I about 7.5 years.
Wow.
And it was initially, we moved to this beautiful acreage in the woods, and we decided to start raking a path. We didn't want to impact the trees. And then we started to place art objects here and there. When I created this piece, I wanted a tribute to the people that are being moved and are forced to migrate. So people, innocent people, and just have to pick up their belongings or gather their children around them, and then they move to a new place, a new country.
I think she's looking at the road ahead, where she's going to go.
We're moving on through the bush. Then we're descending into an area now that I like to call the room. And you can sit at the chairs and just enjoy being out in this lovely space and truly having the outside coming in. So here we go. We're now approaching this piece, which I call Contemplate. It's supposed to be sort of a contrast between the calmness and the serenity of the piece,
right?
And it's contradicted by the absolute size of it.
Yes.
So yeah, it is a surprise.
Where to now?
We're off. We're going to see some other pieces.
It's just like everywhere you walk, you see something, right?
I haven't exactly placed every one according to a specific spot. It just kind of happens. The forest, embraces these pieces, and they're right where they are. They seem to be happily ensconced, we say.
And yet they're framed in nature, so I would say.
They are. Well, that just shows that nature is an artist too, you see.
It is.
The many pieces that we have here are open for interpretation by all the visitors. And the explanations that I've indicated here and there on little written fences and benches and so forth are not necessarily what people take away. So that's the wonderful part of it. Cheers! Cheers
to a great tour. Thank you. I've really enjoyed today. You have an amazing sculpture forest here. It is beautiful.
Thank you so much for coming. It was an absolute pleasure meeting you. And I have enjoyed today very, very much. Thank you again.
Okay, well, thank you. I really enjoyed this. Thank you.
Great.